I'm going to start power washing down the patio, sweeping up, power washing, and getting it together. So as you can see, I have plenty of leaves and dirt, dead plants from last year. All these leaves and pine needles down in the crevices here. Plenty of debris. Lily wants to say hello. Here's Lily, my assistant, following me around as usual. Okay, dead plants, plenty of dirt, and there's the power washer out, finally. And, okay, so here is the overview. And even this new furniture that I bought last year, I don't know if you can tell, but it needs to be power washed as well. So, I'm gonna blow it down, and then I'm gonna get busy. All right, let's get it, let's go. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel for the very first time. Today we are getting this hot mess together. So sit back, relax, and I'll meet you at the end. I told you about a power washer. Mine went kaput. It's leaking water from every place, but where it's supposed to come from. So what do you have for me?
I have pressure washers right down there.
Okay. Nothing big and complicated, Kevin.
Anywhere from a 3,500 to a 2,000.
All right, so where's the 3,500? This looks easy.
That's a concrete.
Oh, okay, wrong thing.
All the way to the left.
This is right, left. This big thing?
Yep, that's a 3,500.
Jesus, I don't need anything that big.
You want a 2,000 PSI all the way to the right.
This is easy to use.
All about the same.
I just want to wash down the concrete in the backyard. It's so stained.
Just to hook it up here quick.
Yep.
All you'll do is just take this end of the hose here,
Mm-hmm.
stick it on there.
Right.
Take this one here,
Stick it in there.
quick connect onto that one.
All right.
Just take your garden hose and stick it to this one here. Just hang it
Mhm.
on there.
Okay. Any garden hose?
Yep, just
Be
any
fine?
garden hose, yep. And then
All
on
right.
this side here, you just have your red on-off switch.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just flip that to on,
Okay.
choke, pull that back, that gray lever.
Mm-hmm.
And then once it's warmed up, you just turn that choke off, and then you can throttle on.
It is so satisfying to see all of those stains and all that winter grime being washed away. Now, let's get ready for my favorite part and your favorite part too. Let's jump into this decorating. I picked this rug up from Ocean State Job Lot for $50. If you're enjoying all this fabulous cleaning and decorating inspiration, give your girl a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Okay, I have all of these for the new chairs, and then I have all of these for the old set. So let's start getting them out. Now, if you remember when I did my front porch, I told you I bought enough of those beige pillow cushions from Amazon when they were on sale for $13.99. They've since gone back up to original price, which is $40 for a 4-pack. So if you didn't get that sale, honey, I feel bad for you.
Here we
Now
are,
let's move on.
back at it today. And the weather has been so rainy and so horrible that I haven't had a chance to really work on the backyard. So I'm gonna wipe down all of the furniture again because the pollen is still falling. Although I keep my furniture covered when it's not in use, you know, pollen is a very fine dust, so it just gets everywhere. And yeah, although I love these beige cushions, and I still do love them, God, I feel like they're a dirt magnet already. So I may have to reevaluate that decision later, but I'll let you know how that goes. So for right now, I'm just gonna work on this one seating area. Outdoor Scotch Guard water shield. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this on these beige cushions just to make them a little bit more and gives them a nice coat and let it dry, and there you have it. It helps them from, it repels the water and helps to keep them from getting stained. So I do like to use this even though it is outdoor furniture. And I'm just using some of my favorite Dollar Tree Awesome Cleaner. And I don't know if you can really make that out. Let me come in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see that green haze? That is the pollen. It's kind of green, yellow. And as you have seen before, my house is surrounded by woods on all 3 sides. It's nothing but woods. So yeah, that is my backyard. We live at the top of the hill at the end of the cul-de-sac, but we have all woods surrounding our property. So anyway, that's enough about that. Let's get these cleaned up. Run through this quick haul to show you what I'm going to be using on my patio this year. Starting with these beautiful hanging basket holders that I got from Aldi, $16.99, and I got a pair of those. Then I also got a flat, and I believe these are petunias that I got from Lowe's, and the price on that was $12.98. Next, mosquito protection, very important. I got a couple of citronella. Black and white is what I'm going to be using. So I have a set of pillow covers. Then I picked up this tulle fabric. This is nylon tulle, and I believe it's 20 or 40 yards. So just because this pavilion, it has that kind of V shape, and I didn't want to run a bar or a string across at such a low clearance height. So I'm going to try the tulle to give me the effect of outdoor curtains. A beautiful black throw, and then I have a white throw as well. And these are from last year. I'm going to get these cleaned up and put those out as well. And then I have a TV, and I don't know if I told you about my luck with the TV. I pulled up at Salvation Army. Somebody was donating a TV, and they did not want to take it. So he gave me that TV for free, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But I purchased a wall mount, and I also purchased a TV cover. And then over here, I have this pedestal bowl that was a DIY, and these balls are from Dollar Tree. So, oh, last thing, I also picked up some additional fire glass because I couldn't find the one I wanted last year, so it's kind of a mix mosh and I want everything to go together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together on the patio, and I'll bring you back in just a little bit. These I got from Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, they were sold out of the liners, but we're gonna have to make do with these, which put up there, it'll work. Like a drill.
Honey, I am super happy with the way everything is coming together, and I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think of this new look in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you.